Welcome back to PBR Acres. So in this episode, I'm going to take you along as we head up to Ontario, north of Vermilion Bay, to the Northern Lights Resort. This is where we fly out of for our annual fly-in fishing trips, and we have to go up the day before because it's a pretty long drive, and we have to find accommodations to stay the night before. So this year we had the good fortune of staying right on site at the Northern Lights Resorts, and we ended up in Cabin 1. They have multiple cabins up there, but I wanted to take you on a little tour of Cabin 1, so here we go. As we start this video, I'm going to show you the side door coming in one side there, and we're going to pan through the kitchen, fully appointed kitchen, and there's a nice dining area with a big table and multiple chairs. One thing that's nice about staying on site is they actually have flush toilets. And here's a nicely appointed 3/4 bath, everything you could want. And as we move along, we're going to go into bedroom 1. So in bedroom 1, you're going to find a bunk bed and a single bed. So that room will sleep 3, obviously. Bedroom 2, the middle bedroom, has 2 single beds in there and sleeps 2 comfortably. The bedrooms aren't huge, but definitely they work out. And then we're going to go over and we're going to take a little peek into bedroom 3, and yes, we have 2 more single beds. Now as we pull out of bedroom 3, you're going to see the living room area, and all the windows and this door go out to a deck, and everything points out to the lake, and you can see it's a very nice, well kept area. You can see the lake, you can see all the planes coming in and out. So let me know what you think of that cabin. Like I say, they have multiple cabins on site. It's a neat place to hang out. We enjoyed our night there, and we were able to get up right away in the morning, walk straight down, get unloaded, and fly out that next morning. So everything came together really well. We didn't have to travel in or anything this year. We got to stay right on site, and it was great. So let me know if you have any questions in the comments. I wanted to thank you for tuning in to this episode on PBR Acres. We'll see you next time.